Okay, I am back with homegrown Haley Perry. I'm so excited. Haley, you and I, we did our first recording, right? So we did Carving Out Your Own Slice of Texas. What is your tagline? What do you say?
Southern hospitality on the house.
There you go, Southern hospitality on the house. And we're in Flower Mound, and this is a suburb of kind of the northwest DFW suburbs, really close to DFW Airport. And I mean, this is a beautiful home. I mean, oh my gosh. And we're lucky because today we're actually going to do an open house version of Carving Out Your Own Slice of Texas, right?
We sure are.
So, catch me up. Like, what have you been up to? What's life like for you? It's warm now, and what's new with Haley?
Well, I'm number one, so blessed to be here in front of this amazing property, and we're just both so glad that it turned out to be a beautiful day. It's not too cold, and I've just been, one thing that I've been doing since the last thing that you saw me is I've been working with tons of veteran and VA clients.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yeah, the last time that we talked, we talked about how hard it was for veterans to get in this competitive market. Mm-hmm. And since then, I've closed with 3 different ones.
Yeah, love that. That's awesome.
It's not impossible. And we've had a few veterans come out today to look at this property.
Yeah.
And so just giving back to them and giving back to my community, that's what I want to do.
I mean, that's what it's all about. Earlier this year, or actually last year, I was able to help my aunt and uncle, and they're veterans. And when I think of veterans and I think of all the armed forces, they were the first people that would come to mind.
Right.
And the fact that we were able to help them get into their home, make that transition from Colorado into Texas, I mean, it was the best, right? So being able to give back, and we support our troops, and we're just so fortunate to work with vets. And there's a lot of options available for veterans, right? So I'm really glad that you brought that up. So we're here, and we're going to go and walk through this great property. It's almost 4 acres. I mean, it is massive, right?
Crazy.
And this is really what it's all about when you're talking about carving out your own slice of Texas.
I know, right? This is what everyone wants when they think about Texas.
Exactly. So this isn't just a slice. I mean, this is almost the whole pie.
The whole pie.
The whole pie, all in one property.
Yep,
so.
And you could even have horses on this property, which is crazy. And
yeah.
like Ron said, and you're only less than 10 minutes from the airport.
Exactly. All right, you guys follow us in.